Guys, welcome back. Just a quick tutorial. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw your cat eyeliner in today's video. So if you're new here, please do well to subscribe and like my video. So for this tutorial, nothing much is actually needed, just your liner and your flat brush. So I'm going to be using the Zaron eyeliner, and this is my flat brush. If you have, or if you wish to buy Zaron, in the brush is also, the brush comes with the Zaron product. So I'm going to be using this liner, and it's actually nice, very good. So gently I'm gonna go ahead to do my cat eye. First thing you want to do is to draw a straight line from here. Can you see that? Just one straight line. Then you come from here, the middle of that straight line, go in with another line. Your aim of doing this is to make sure that the cat eye is not long, because when you start picking up this second line from here, you're still going to create another line to make it look points. I don't know if you understand. That is to make the cat eye point out. So from this second line, we're gonna go in. Gently you fill it in. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Still following that straight line. Now I'm gonna go to the end here to fill it in a bit. For the under eye, all you have to do is to open your eyes, then your outer eye liner here, you add your liner into it. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? If you want the cat eye to still be long, all you have to do is to go higher, but I prefer my hair, so I'm gonna leave it there. Then here, all you have to do is to, at the front, you bring it out a bit. Isn't that easy, and it's not that hard. You just have to be gentle with your brush. Make sure you don't make any mistake. You can still go back and fill it in if you want it to be more dark. An eyeliner gel. This is an eyeliner gel. There are liquid ones too. You can actually use that, but this is the gel, so I like to use the gel. And as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead to do the next one. To be on the safe side, make sure to check the other one you already did before when you're doing the next one. But there are some cases that happened to me several times. The two won't be the same thing. Just make sure to check. Look at this and look at this whenever you're drawing your eyeliner. Very important. So I feel like this one is still short. I don't know if I should add a little. Same thing. Just a little line. Yeah, that does it. Then I'm gonna go under. Make sure you are gentle while doing this. There are some cases you would have already done your foundation, your skin work, then you're fixing your eyeliner and eyeliner will just ruin everything. Just make sure you're gentle while doing this. See, I already fucked up with this, but there is no problem. I'm still gonna fix it up with my concealer, but to avoid this you just have to be careful. Just have to be careful. That does it. And guys, this is it. Cat eye, and you have it. You just go on with your mascara and all that, fix your lashes, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead with the rest of my makeup right now, and I'll be back to show you guys. Please do all to subscribe. If you've watched this extent, please do all to subscribe and like my video. Help me grow, guys. And if you like what I'm doing, please do all to come back and watch more. I love you guys so much. Bye.